They say Igbo man don't go India, go bring one solution come. He said that if your television break, no need to carry that television throw away. This guy go use one thing weighing bido and one other thing weighing go buy put. Just put for the television go dey normal again. Igbo people no always bringing solution. My people no be smart, you know. As e dey be now for north, they say that the Muslim police don't come outside to contact people where they for Kano. Tell them say no eat for public, or say if you eat for public, if you be the border second or they fit buy you. Now waiting, they say Muslim police come talk. Now I come they ask myself. So Nigeria get different type of police for inside this country. Things are happening. However, let's go and find out how this thing they happen. Welcome back to Balabas GC. Today na the first time we they come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. We still there here. They bring you updates back to back. I see the hot. But wonderful people. They say that one Igbo man don't waka with him two leg, enter inside India. Go bring one solution come. He say no need to throw away your television wey don break. That time wey your children are carry something hit and bam. He say no, he no go throw away again. Carry and come. He go remove all the line and give you your television again. Now say, this one they happen for here. Now wow, Igbo people. Let me show you this video. May you watch, and before we go come back, come continue. I beg, if you watch this video, don't forget to share them, because a lot of things are coming out these days. Our people are waking up, and their innovation, what they are building is too much. No be small thing. Let's watch the video before we come back and continue.
On the line, but how I get weapon line after that? Ni who no, I won't give me the deeds. What they got and so in a fly now. Somebody go to somebody or cook or did show. Emana, everyone do command them to say cool me. I went off a line after that. Near the line after that. Now, say to see this machine now, the line. I took away with this line. That is why I actually rush about rush. Just you get cool down, you know watch it, because Nayana here was seeing is believing. But the thing ever. Kana fum bopper. Yes. On one night, okay. Onye in Sube, Anambra State. If I come on India. And I feel now. Cool order. You want to be who in the man, if you know machine name. On your mutadesim, see India, Jebunata direct, Bunata buy. Then Butaka me back if we want to check it a screen. Yeah, 4 to Ghana, Choifa. Get this if 34th. 34th. Okay. Okay.
Na this place.
Yes.
Yeah. Then okay for never the dark, ever the dark.
Yes.
Ever the dark now, but now about the fault. Okay for cigar line.
Yes.
This 40 place now, that line now need display now. You don't see the name walk.
Okay.
Yeah, now need a walk on.
Okay.
So I'll be uncoupled that may be no see walk on all the couple movie dog on you.
Yes.
Bob didn't you go. So what I want to do now is can you buy now?
Osara Poko.
Osara Poko now. And then I connect quite to for the line.
If I even better that they say a group of the John Ogu, I put a pipe now, when they lab, it's against the TV lab. On your buying, no chapter and car. Let us encourage him. Even if you don't have something like that, they commend the other to Nye Udifane. But everything that has run, Muddy just brought us warm. But watch ever. Mari je zo television na again mo na screen ke baby mana obo na mere o we ka mari so egwu e kwasi akwa ka
screen replacement I na change the screen o
the screen.
Yes. Okay. I na change the screen. Okay. My new one I dial the new one o the kolo kolo
na watch here na full lab now
ya na abu na waka na alo ya one
na for now. If we will detect the fault, and our correction be the main. Yes, okay, this is about weather.
Yes, so I will not. If run out to one
You know, for example, on a boy, but I watch and carry the camera go there.
Eba na the last phase, the line up one.
Uh-huh.
Na hopefully if eba kita. You click here eba na one click na make click eba na line up one.
Okay, you click never get
so that
Mba, carry camera come this side. I hope you are getting the line. Wait, come. I'm going to for the line now.
You click here and she click no.
Mba click here, guy for Hey! Libra du se la bande. Abi do shaker. Let's go back again. Bring the camera again. Let's see whether the line up true.
Then you are not
If you get that. The line up go instant. You got about instant miracle solution. Right on, Papa. Hey. Ni Hugo, Cabra Kena, KJ, Naro Chago. If Okosi the Hebia, go sim case are the same.
By go yo now.
Hey, Manio today go see a book or Guno. If only Mew, Nefo, or Putara, you may invent. On your one daughter here are reba. On your India, where one India say that they your choro. Here may remover, line remover.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, no be small thing, no. You hear him? He say that the guy using 2 leg waka enter India because say some things wey we use build many things no dey for inside Nigeria. Now the guy go India, go tell India people say see wetin need, and he provide, contribute, put everything wey he know. They can't do am together. Now the guy now don't become person wey fit dey remove line for TV. Something wey be say if your TV just do like this, bam, na new screen go just go buy, go change. Now you know if you change am again. Who does that? China go vex for you because they go say that now they no fit sell again, oh, because all this their screen wey be say pay when children touch and they don't break. They say they no go see sell again, oh. This guy don't go call China heavy that. But however, let's jump into the Kano. Go know wetin dey happen for that area. They say that the Muslim police don't come outside. They can't tell people say during this time of this Ramadan, he say men non-Muslim, Me say if you no be Muslim, say me you no try. Say you go eat for outside. He say that thing if you go be like Deborah, I beg go. If you know say you did that place, my fans, may you no try go eat because I don't see him. It's very clear that Nigeria now have 2 laws and 2 countries are operating in one Nigeria. But inside the one Nigeria now army and police full for southeast. They find ESN. Why some people they give law of Muslim, the Sharia laws and all those things. For who does that? We be say me you know it. If you they worship anything way they worship, not before your house. At least in Nigeria get freedom of worship and all those things. Then why are they not telling people living in their state say may they no eat? May they no eat if they're hungry because say they do fasting. My people, check that canteen now. This country self, I don't even know where they go. Your fasting way they do now, you and your God. Nigeria is a free worship country. If you serve juju, if you serve anything way you want, if you serve God, if you serve anything way you want, that's what it is. But right now, they are trying to tell you that Sharia law and Muslim law is working in the north. My people, I bet more than judge this matter and share this video. Make sure say you share this video for more updates. Drop your own contribution for inside comment section. I see the hot.